Today we are discussing about the situational anxiety. Anxiety a different, situational anxiety that is different. Anxiety means palpitations, high breathing, and sweatings. Voice it is also not clear, dry mouth, excessive palpitation, and everything it is anxiety. But when I came to know that one person I observed, one lady I observed, when she is normal in home environment, she has no anxiety, she has no problem, always feeling very comfortable. When she attended to the office before the boss, then she feels very nervousness, sweatings and shiveringness, and unable to speak properly, and unable to do the work in a proper manner. In home environment, she is very normal, she feels very comfortable in home environment. In out of the home environment, she feels very nervousness and anxiety. It is called as a situational anxiety. But when she comes to the, when she, anyone, you find out that when you are feeling anxiety, better to consult psychologist. In home she feels like that one, no, I don't have any type of anxietiness, I feel very comfortable, like that she does. When she attended to the office, then she feels nervousness. One lady, she is working for 5 years as an accountant in the office, but suddenly she get the promotion as a cashier. Then she left the job because of the anxiety, situational anxiety. I don't need the job, I don't do the job, like that she tells. Because her husband is, he is also professor, like that she feels she is no needed. But sometimes anyone is having this type of situational anxiety. If you find out, you should analyze your feelings in a proper manner. Then in that particular aspect, your body condition, your psychological feelings, your expressions, and each and everything you have to observe yourself. If it is not comfortable, then better to consult to the psychologist. Some cases it is in a chronic anxiety. Chronic anxiety means she is unable to go to the office, she sleeps always, she unable to move from home. It is also, it needs, in that particular time she needs medication. But in situational anxiety means she is normal in home environment, but when she attended to the office, she feels nervousness in that particular situation only. Then in that particular situation, counseling and psychotherapy, it is behavior therapy, cognitive behavior therapy, it is enough. No need to use any medication initial stage in 1 to 3 level, up to 3 level. After that one, if it is unable to move from the home, then it needs the medication. No need to use the medication, better to consult to the psychologist. After counseling sessions, if it is not completed, the problem it is not overcome, then after that one, based on the psychologist recommendation, better to goes to the medication. Without any serious manner, not to consult to the medication, not to use the medication. It is also, if it leads to the some problem, some side effects, and it may leads to the some other problems. It is also anxiety, it is also helpful. Without anxiety, we cannot do work in a proper manner. It will not goes to the work in a serious manner. It is also, it may leads to the work completing. Anxiety, it is must. Without anxiety, anyone cannot do the work properly. But in some extent, if it is that anxiety situation that is disturbing to our regular work, then in particular situation you have to analyze your growth and your and everything you have to analyze. If it is unable to analyze yourself, then if you have the same problems continuously, then better to consult to the psychologist. Based on the psychological recommendations, you go attend to the regularly, maybe 3 months it may require, sometimes it may require 6 months it is also. But don't feel it is a mental illness or mental disorder. Everyone is having like this same problem, but somebody may overcome based on their experiences or support from the family or economical capabilities. It is also may helpful to overcome, or intelligence based on the some of the may come out of the problem. But some of the sensitive type of personalities, they are losing their jobs and they are unable to get the promotions. It is also, if you have the problem, then better to consult to the psychologist. Then you will take the regular counseling sessions in a proper manner. Okay, thank you.